Yeah, so day before yesterday night, we left Ahmedabad for Kandla, and yesterday I had food poisoning for some reason. So many people are staring at me because this concept is not a very popular concept, vlogging in India. Hello! We've reached Bangalore, Baba Ahmedabad. That was a long time ago, I don't know why I'm updating you now. Why are we going up? Aren't we supposed to go down? Oh, silly me. So actually, the plan is Iron Man 3. But there are two problems. One, we're in the wrong building. Two, see? Two, we're late. It was awesome.
2 was awesome. Iron Man was awesome. Or Iron Man 3.
Shut up. Iron Man 3 was awesome. If any of you do not like Iron Man 3, you know what? Go ahead and unsubscribe. We're not friends anymore. We didn't have all these things when we were kids, did we?
No.
I want to be inside a ball. Like that. Oh, do you guys have these things? We have to walk through. Beep, 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 beep. Check our bags. We are shopping again. Like shopping. Oh, the power just went. And now we wait. And the light's back.
Where do you go? Where do you go? Where do you go now? No, 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 no.
I'm chill.
No, you're not.
Hi, my cat.
What's happening?
How about Beijing meal? While she's making the groundbreaking decision of what we should have for dinner, I should tell you that we are here to have dinner.
Ginger, no fighting with the camp.
See an exciting match between these two.
The contender. Ankit.
We had yet another very late day in Bangalore. Somehow none of our plans are working out in Bangalore because we are just chilling all the time. So our plan is always to wake up at like 9 o'clock, go out, do shopping, or like just hang out. But you know what? It's 2 o'clock and now we're too late, and now we're like, okay, let's have lunch. And I know we're gonna sit and chit chat for 2 hours and then it's gonna be too late, so we'll go back home. It'll be time for dinner. What? Yeah, but you know what? I'ma have a fun. So anyways, right now we have reached this place called The Dhaba. Look at this big old man.
We're going to show it. Just decide on what dhaba is finest Indian.
There is a nice buffet over there for $3.90. But I don't want to eat too much anyway.
This is actually made like a dhaba. See? Like that old bed and like concrete wood floor.
Just nice and
Ooh. Oh. It's like a modern day dhaba.
Fun fact, this is a Punjabi.
Dhabas are already.
It's so cool. It's like a chalkboard.
My wife will order for me. I don't even order
Oh,
for myself.
yesterday night we were doing Xboxing and all. I cannot lift my hands now. I haven't worked out for such a long time. It's really difficult. Yeah, it's like a lot of workout and stuff. There are waiters staring at us, so let's stop this. We ordered mango lassi. Typical Punjabi drink. It's basically just yogurt and sugar. And this is mango lassi, so obviously there's like bits and pieces of mango, and it is so yummy. Really nice. We rip it with these two fingers, and then we scoop it, and then we eat it. Coming to Bangalore and not clubbing? Like, what? Baby, we are going clubbing. But actually, you know what? The only problem here is that the clubs actually close by like 11:30, and we are already really late. It's 9:30, so we really don't have any time. But anyways, if you're wondering what I'm wearing,
It's like a quick 5-minute outfit. I don't wearing flats to keep me comfortable so we can dance all night.
hi guys, I'm in an auto rickshaw. We call it auto or rik, or and non-Indians or people outside India actually call it the tuk-tuk. vehicle or tuk-tuk machine, and I'm on my way to Brigade. I actually wanted to go to a lot of places in Bangalore, but I was not too well, so I spent a lot of my time sleeping at home. So today we were like, today's gonna be our last day in Bangalore, so we're like, it doesn't matter, we're just gonna go out. I went to a hospital, they did not treat me, they didn't do anything, they ripped me off. I'm hoping to get treated better when I go back to my hometown in Kerala. So I'll show you the hospital. If you are from Bangalore, never ever ever make the mistake of going to MediHope. I'll show you the
Medihope.
Disgusting hospital. Disgusting. I'm still sick. And the service, horrible people, horrible staff. They hurt me so much. I was bleeding like. Now moving on to happier things. Let's just enjoy our Rasta.
Rasta?
Yeah, our way. We are in Brigade, baby. This is like the place that people come to do a lot of shopping, because as you can see, it's filled with shops. See where you get all sorts of cute things. Like, look at that. Angry Birds. Smiley Chappos. It's so cute. And look at these fur balls. They're just so cute. And clothes and fruit shop. I really like this one. It's cute. It's all here. They even have clubs and bars. Yeah, gambling, bowling. Look at that. It's like pretty much a one-stop shop. Check those things. Ah, baby. It's like a little underground thing. Give me like a big suitcase of money and I'll show you where to spend it. I'll show you how to spend money if you want to spend money. I've always loved shopping here in Brigade, but when I was living in Bangalore, I didn't have enough money to shop. But now that I'm not living in Bangalore or Brigade, I want to just shop the whole city down. But I don't have the time or the patience to actually go through all this. One more time.
In the middle of nowhere, you got two spots.
That is the end of our Bangalore journey. See, that was for us. We are actually going to Cochin now. We shall see you there.